Get noticed in this 2007 Chrysler 300. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.